The capacitance and a connection of 5 capacitors are shown in the adjoining figure. The potential difference between A and B is 60 volt. Then the equivalent capacity between the A and B, the charge on 5 microfarad capacitance will be respectively dash. This is the combination of mixed grouping of capacitors, and let us redraw the equivalent circuit of the combination, and let us take the equivalent circuit between A and B. This is 8 microfarad capacitor and 9, 5, 10. So 9, 5, 10, they are in parallel. Here this is the 9 microfarad capacitor, and it is the 5 microfarad capacitor, whereas it is the 10 microfarad capacitor. They are parallel. With them 12 microfarad, it is series. This is considered B, and here consider this is the point S. And after simplifying this circuit, the equivalent circuit, here this should become, this is 8 microfarad. So here 9, 5 and 10, they are parallel. So effective capacity 24 microfarad, whereas this one having, this is the 12 microfarad. It is A, this is B. And here the potential V1, here the potential V2, here potential is the V3. Since in the series combination potential on each capacitor is different. Now here, if you take the effective capacity 1 by CAB, which is equal to their series combination 1 by 8 plus 1 by 24 plus 1 by 12, which is equal to, this is the 6 by 24, 1 by 4. So effective capacity between the AB, which is equal to 4 microfarad. But we know very well, in the series combination potential difference across each capacitor, which is equal to the inverse ratio of their capacities, which is equal to 1 by 8 is to 1 by 24 is to 1 by 12, 3 is to 1 is to 2, and V2, which is equal to, this is the 60 into 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 10 volt. Finally Q is equal to C into V2. C is the 5. Here V2 is nothing but 10 volt. This is the 50 coulomb. So fourth option is the right option.